Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new block. So on your left sidebar menu, click on blocks and then click on add new block. So over here you can put in your title, alright, and then you can put in your block content, right? So one more thing is that you have the permalink over here. If you like to set a custom permalink, you can do so, right? Otherwise keep it as it is, right? And then let's say you were to change it to something like this, you can click on update and then it will show in the permalink right here, right? So permalink will be the URL that your article will be on, okay? And then this and then in the blog content itself, I won't go into detail on what you can do with the rich text editor in this video, but easily you can insert a image from here. Maybe on your computer you can put in a logo here, for example, okay? And then you can also add a video, right? So you can paste the video link from YouTube, okay? And you can also add a URL link right here. Say I want to direct it to google.com.sg, right? Sorry. Okay, and then you can see that this text here is underlined. When I click on this, it will send me to Google. Okay, so this is some of the basic things that you want to learn. You want to know what you can do with the blog content, rich text editor, right? And then you got to put in a excerpt as well. So excerpt will be like a preview of what the content is, maybe a couple of lines of what the full article is, right? So you can put that excerpt in, and then on the bottom left you have the metadata for SEO and social media sharing. So the general meta info sets the is for the search engines, right? So the title is, so let's say if you were to go to Google, if you were to search for something, you will be able to see this title. So this would be the title, then this would be the meta description, and then if the article does show a picture. So, for example, I were to search for the iPhone. Uh, so maybe, for example, something like this, it will show a picture, right? So this comes from the meta image, right? Which is this one right here, and then you've got the Facebook sharing as well. So if I would go to Facebook, okay, say I were to share a link from where should I share a link from? Okay, so let's see here. Say okay, what happens is that it will show a preview. This will be the title, this will be the description, this will be the image. Okay, so that is how the Facebook info works, and then the same thing for Twitter as well, right? So if you were to, so Facebook is for the WhatsApp as well. So if your customers are sharing your website, they will see a very full rich link preview. Okay, so on your right here, you have the post type, set it to general, and then this is where you set the block category. If you have a product tag, you can key that in. Featured will be pinning the article onto the top of your blog page, and then the visibility, you can set it to public, or if it's a logged in user, right? So someone who is logged into your website will be able to see the article. Otherwise, you can set it to public where everyone can see, and then you have a draft and publish, and then you can set a image as well, right? So this will be the featured image of the article. Okay, so this definitely you want it to be published, and then lastly will be your gallery image. This is currently a work in progress. Nonetheless, this would, let's say this is, you're happy with the blog content right here, you can then publish this by clicking on submit new post, and then your article should be live right here. So if you were to go to blog, you'll be seeing an article right here. There you Okay, and that will be all in this video.